there! So my Ipsy bag came in the mail today. It's my April Ipsy bag, and I think I've already seen a bunch of spoilers about what's in here, but I thought I would open it with you anyway. So I saw the spoilers on my email, not like I didn't open the bag yet. So I did cut it at the top. So here is the bag this month. It's this lilac purple color, and I actually have a friend who loves this, the color lilac, so I'll probably give it to her. Actually, it goes nicely with my dress today, but it's got this kind of like almost floral design. I think it is floral, and then it's got this giant wooden circle on the zipper, which of course says Ipsy. So I think it's nice. It's very springtime. If you were girly, I think you would like this. But I've got too many of these bags and it's not really my style, so I'll probably hand this one over to a friend. So let's see what's inside. So the first thing inside is this Hey Honey Tone It Up Propolis and Echinacea. Echinacea. Oh my god, I have no idea how to say that. It's an herbal toner, so it's a toner. I only have one toner and I actually really enjoy it, so I'm willing to try another one. So that's the first thing. And I've tried the Hey Honey eye cream. It came in a previous Ipsy bag and I liked it, so definitely not mad at that. Here's the next thing. It's the YC Collection Loose Setting Powder. I'm not the biggest fan of loose setting powder. I really like the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, which is what I usually use, but I'll definitely give it a go. And it's good that it's not like a huge amount, so if I don't like it, I can just like pass it on. So it looks like it's going to be a color that will match, so that's good. It's in the number 213. I've never heard of YC Collection, so yeah. Next up I have an oatmeal face scrub. And it says, oh, the brand is Thann, T-H-A-N-N, and it's got organic camellia oil, rice callus culture, and marshmallow extracts. So I will definitely give that a go. I've been taking a lot of baths lately, so I feel like I could definitely use this in the bath as like a face scrub. I think that's really nice. I enjoy face scrubs, so I think I will like that. Next I have something that's really hard to read. It's the Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. And it's got glitter in it, like very, very visible glitter. So it's like a glittery primer. It says all natural, paraben free. I don't know how it's all natural with this much glitter, but can you see the glitter? Probably not. No, you can, because it's like so intense. Yeah, I've never seen this much glitter in a primer before, but again, I'm willing to give it a go. Alright, and so that's 4 products, so I just have one left. And it is the Ojos, O-J-O-S, Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner in black from Aracelli. And I'm glad to have this because my only eyeliner I forgot at work, so... Oh no, but the sharpener might be at work too. Oh, I don't know if it needs a sharpener. No, I think it does actually. So it is just this really nice black eyeliner. Oh, it's super black. I'm super happy with that. I will definitely use this. So I'm really happy with the eyeliner. I really did need one. And I'm happy with the face scrub too. Like these are probably the 2 most exciting things that are in here. And the rest I'm gonna try, but I'm not. Oh wow, it doesn't even smudge. Like that's really good. That's a good eyeliner. That's awesome. I will definitely use this. The rest of the stuff, yeah, I will give a go, but yeah, it's not really for me. So maybe I need to go back at my quiz and answer the questions again because, I don't know, they're kind of sending me stuff that I wouldn't really use. So the theme of this month is called Full Bloom. So yeah, it's a very springtime theme. And of course inside it has all of the information on the different products. So I will give this a read later, but I just thought I would share with you what I got in my Ipsy bag. If you're getting Ipsy, let me know what you got and what you think, and please subscribe for more videos.